Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm just going to keep working on this function. So we are working on this wait turn function. Wait turn is to rotate the unit that can move based on the speed parameter of the unit. Well, it's not actually the speed, it's actually the wait term. Let's go to the types. It's actually the wait term. Oh no, let's go to the unit object actually. It's so the speed is number of the tiles that you can move, and then wait term is the time that you have to wait to get the chance to make any movement or any other type of actions. So now I'm preparing this thing with two characters, and one is quicker than the other. That's why one right now has the highlighted tiles and the other one doesn't. So this guy is in charge right now, so he can move, right? Great. When he gets focus, let's go to the stage, and then stage would have a focus on unit function. So focus on unit function would make one of the unit getting focused and highlight the tiles that he can move. So we can just click one of them and he can just move to any of the tiles. And after he finishes his move, then the turn should be passed to a different unit. So after he finishes his turn, he has to return something back to the stage so that the stage can trigger another focusing. And also focus on unit should actually move the camera to center the unit that's in charge at the moment. So I'm just going to add path for each. Okay, so it's highlighting the path. Okay, so you don't focus. So I'm just going to add let camera is and by the way, yeah. Oh, do we have? Well, this is a stage object, right? So it should have the camera. Okay, so tiles, okay, camera, HTML element. Is that a type? Yeah. Oh no. And the constructor. Get element by ID. It's actually rig as HTML. Okay, so I'm just going to do this. Property camera has no initializer. Okay, see this camera, right? So when the stage is built, the camera should be initialized. That's it. When the stage is built, so say set camera. So this should be called after the DOM is loaded. So I'm not going to actually do this, but set camera is a void. This camera is no. Yeah, when focus on unit is called, let's set camera, set attribute animation. Okay, T position. From should just get the current camera position. Camera get attribute position. Should I just do this? X and Y and Z, yeah. And 2 as unit. Okay. Unit position X and Y and Z. Duration is 1 second. Loop is 1. Does it work? Let's see. I don't know what's happening, but there's a camera. So focusing on object should move the camera. It's not doing because it's set attribute, camera set attribute. So focus on unit is maybe being called. If this camera return. When the camera is null, it's returned. But then I'll focus on unit. The camera is not defined. This. Clicking him would move the camera. That's good. This is just too slow for me. Do it faster. Right. Right. Oh, I see. So set camera should be called after, no, before setting wait time. Then I think it should work. Reload. Camera set. Okay, now that's good. Now, so completing the move. When unit completes its movement, that is a move to tile. So let's make this move timeout. Move to tile async function. Async. And return new promise. Resolve. Oops, sorry. Set timeout and resolve. Sorry, resolve. True. So if it's resolved, let's move to tile, right? So move to tile unit. Move to tile. Oh, wait. So it's in only allowed with the async function at the top of the bottom modules. So void. Okay. So async alert completed. Does this work? So move it. Completed, but no. It should be called after this is completed. So I was doing it wrong. but move to tile. It's move to tile. Oh, where's it? Stage. Find tiles. Where's it? Move to tile. Move unit. Right. So move unit. Pass. Move to tile. Unit. Move to tile. Okay, so it's our wait here. Async. And alert reached here. So okay, this is put in focus. Move it, completed, reached here, and rotate. Perfect. So reached here, and where was it? Completed. Was it in a unit? Turn to direction. Where's completed? Yeah, completed. Move to tile. And turn to direction. Right. Let's make it async. Turn to direction and turn to direction. When turn to direction is resolved, where's turn to direction? Is it a tile component? Turn to direction, right? So triangle, right? Triangle and turn to direction is okay. So then stage. Well, actually, this is not where it's supposed to be, because maybe the unit will make, well, it surely will make the attack action after moving. So moving completed, it's not really the, you know, the trigger that passes the turn to the next unit, but I'm just gonna make it here for now, just to, you know, move forward with the wait turn, so that we can try, you know, rotating the user. So stage, trigger, finish turn. Will be called, so the stage should handle that. Okay, so finish turn, focus on unit, finish turn, void, oh, sorry, voice, void. So finish turn is when it is called, then